Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we're looking at KN95s. Today, this video is Dolce Calma, not Dolce de Leche. That is a delightful beverage. Now, this is a delightful mask. Let's open it up. I'm making assumptions, but it's a weird brand, huh? Oh, look at this, individually packed masks. I love that. So much you can do, so versatile. We have so many activities in here. Dude, this ear loop is something else. Or, yeah, this is an ear loop. All right, come on, man. Can already tell that this is not the a legitimate KN95, and I'm trying to see, yes, they are claiming that it's KN95. There's a lot of folks that, it's really your fault. That's right, you, the consumer. You're the one that taught manufacturers that you're looking for KN95s. And so they just slap KN95 on anything. Just roll of toilet paper, Zumba outfits, KN95. This machine's a PFE machine. It's meant to test the KN95 standard or the N95 standard. That's actually what we use it for. But it will do the KN95 test as well, which is very similar. This, the Dolce Calma, which we bought on Amazon here, is a KN95 mask they're claiming. It's a dust cup filter cover for men and women. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Ooh, okay, sounds good. Skin friendly. So just by saying it's a KN95, they're making a claim that it will have 95% protection on a machine just like this. I can tell that they are not a legitimate KN95. I am a broken record if you've seen more than one of these videos. But here's a quick trick. You do this at the mall or parties, call people out, you know, in the line at Starbucks, be like, excuse me, ma'am, you don't have a legitimate KN95 because it just says KN95 on it. You actually need to have the manufacturer name and the standard. And this is probably, actually, it doesn't even say that. Oh, it does. Here we go. GB 2626-2019 needs to say all of that on there. Now, why is the manufacturer name important? Because this was manufactured by somebody you probably never heard of, the Dongguan Sengtor Plastic Products Co. Limited. But they're marketing it to you as Dolce Calma. Okay? So they're kind of like hiding who they are, which is like not super cool. And then also the question is like, if they're not, you know, being above board with all of these things on how they're supposed to be marketing this, then are they really above board on all of the testing and all the preparation they're supposed to be doing behind the scenes, right? Like, is this mask going to protect you? Is it going to have good quality meltblown? Is it going to serve as a filter to protect you against something like the coronavirus? If they're not doing something that's really simple. That's my question, and this machine will provide part of the answer. So just remember, KN95 stands for 95%. What does the machine say? Dolce, you've been calming me. No, that was horrible. Tagline. 99.678. 99.678. You pulled it out at the last minute, but the breathability was horrible. I did glance at that. 191. So you're going to be wearing this thing. You're going to take a deep breath. It has like almost no smell, so that's good. But then you're going to wear it for an hour, and you're going to be like, man, I can hardly breathe in this. Anything above 150 pascals is really hard to breathe in over a long period of time, and this is 191. So I would, you know, choose a different mask, even though it's beautifully packaged individually. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you on the next test, of which there will be many, I can promise you.